Today we have the 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This vehicle has done just over 52,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control and hands-free calling. To the right, we have automatic headlights, as well as heated seats on either side. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, radio, media, smartphone integration, and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our AC. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a black leather trim on all of the seats and get a good view of our panoramic roof.